feel like I look yellow, but hey guys, it's Sohna and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, I wanted to show you guys this wax kit. Oh, it's not even open. I wanted to show you guys this wax kit. The light is making me look yellow. This wax kit, waxing, is a complete waxing kit. I got it from Amazon. It was actually sent to me when I did my last waxing video. I'm gonna put it up here so you guys can click it. It was like a mini tutorial. It was like a tutorial. I couldn't find the exact wax that I used, so I had ended up linking this one since they're very similar. But then they reached out to me to show you guys their wax kit because it comes with a lot more stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it so you can see what's inside. I haven't unboxed it yet, as you can see. Ooh. So these are the beans it comes with. This one is beans. It's tea tree beans, 2 of them. And this one is lavender. This one is lavender. I love lavender. This one is lemon. It smells like lemon. This one is eucalyptus. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but yeah. And it comes with the after wax spray. Oh, I had that. I had all this on the other box, so just to let you know. And there's the pre-wax and the spatulas that you need to wax. And here's the wax kit, the wax melter. It's so whoa. It's right here. Oh, the lid is purple. Oh, this one comes with gloves. And it comes with, oh, this is the bottle spray thingy. So I have gloves here. Okay. That's cool. This is just the Instagram. Take a screenshot right there with all the information and stuff. Thank you. Oh, this is just a thank you note and stuff like that. But yeah, so I had already waxed not long ago, so I only have like a little bit of hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wax that. Show you guys how I do it. So, oh, this is the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it. No, before I plug it, I'm gonna put the beans in them. Oh, I didn't even show you guys how it works. So this is how you turn it on, and if you want it to be hot and really melted, you just keep going. And after it's melted, you want to put it back in the middle right there so it can stay in the state that you want it in. And if it's too hot, you can reduce it. If it's too thick, increase it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and plug it and wax my armpit with you guys. I really love waxing. Oh my god, you guys, I have to tell you guys, I shaved this one time because my husband surprised me and I didn't know what to do because it takes longer to wax. So let me just shave. Girl, I had so much ingrown hair and bumps and itching. I was like, oh my goodness, never again, never. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it. And which beans should I use? I think I'm gonna use lavender. I keep pronouncing okay. That's what I'm gonna use today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in. Okay. How do I show you guys? Funny. Oh, it's already on thing. Oh, this one has temperature thingy. My other one didn't have that. so you can know how hot it is. So I'm gonna make it really high, and I'm gonna cover it up until it's all melted. Then I'm gonna reduce it. I don't usually wear gloves, so I'm not sure if I should. It smells like coconut. It smells so good. You're gonna wait until it's this thick, and all you're gonna do is this, and make sure you do this until it's not dripping, and you just go ahead and apply. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Let it dry. Let it dry. I barely have any hair on the first one because I'm not hairy at all. I just shaved like last week, I think, or 2 weeks ago, a little bit over 1 week. So guys, I'm already done waxing. I'm gonna make sure I put the links in the description box below. Even if you go on my other video, I have the same link there, and you could use my code to get 5% off. I'll make sure I put the code in the description box and on the screen too. If you get it, let me know how you like it, and if you need any help, you can just DM me or comment under this video and I'll reply. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check them out on Amazon, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.